Family bonds are about to be tested high on the slopes of an Iron Age hill fort in a difficult task for Lucy, Dom and the girls. One of Gareth's dry stone walls has collapsed. It will be up to the girls to rebuild it.
Now, this is teamwork at its best, OK? As you will be putting the bigger stones on the sides, you girls will be filling in the middle, making sure that they fit like a jigsaw. Yeah. Work together. Yeah. That's what it's about. And enjoy. I'm off to the pub. Yeah. Cheers, guys.
Bye.
Could have done that if I tried.
My job is to pass Mum all the rocks so she can put it into the wall.
Right, we're thinking of some bigger rocks here now, Tess, if we can. I'm not sure we have a plan. If we run into any difficulty, we'll stop, regroup and try again.
These walls have played a vital role on the farm for centuries, and they can stand for decades if they're built correctly.
I told you can't move those bottom ones. They're balancing it on.
It's OK. It's all under control.
I do like to work on my own. I can get easily frustrated. But it's nice to work in a team, I suppose. Oh, it's always nice to have a helping hand whenever you're doing anything. But as long as everyone listens to what I say. Which doesn't happen very often.
What are you saying?
Nothing.
Doesn't sound like nothing. I'm a team player, sometimes. I get frustrated when people are useless, though. But we're doing all right today. One person's playing about. I mean, I don't know why she has to go so far for small stones. Come down here and do the small stones.
Oh, that you.
I kind of push the girls a wee bit more and have a shorter fuse, just because I want them to get the most out of life and, you know, achieve a lot of things.
Lucy.
What?
I need a pee.
Well, go pee then.